Safer, faster, and smarter. This is the future of information. Better documentation, better communication. We are entering an exciting era of information. Our customers are facing unprecedented challenges. A shift towards future business and technical innovation requires smarter services.
Hello, I'm Ino, your documentation robot assistant. I will show you how future documentation provides smarter services during network planning, deployment, and maintenance.
During network planning, augmented reality AR documents offer equipment at your fingertips. View a product, rotate it, zoom in and out. To understand complex solutions, AR documents allows for smarter network planning. During network deployment, AR documents ensure efficient network deployment. They also make equipment installation safer. During network maintenance, when you receive a network alarm, put on mixed reality MR glasses and access MR documents. Real-time visual instructions will guide you right to the root cause of the alarm to identify faulty equipment and suggest operations. Expert advice is readily available. With MR documents, network maintenance has never been so easy. Simpler, safer, faster, and smarter. This is the future of information. Better documentation, better communication. We are entering an exciting era of information. Our customers are facing unprecedented challenges. A shift towards future business and technical innovation requires smarter services.
Hello.
Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning in to Document Navigator. Today we'll be introducing some of the tools that help you access the crucial information you need, faster and easier than ever before. My name's Jacob from Huawei, and I'm joined today by Yun Ke from the Information and Cognitive Laboratory. We're speaking to you from Huawei's picturesque Songshan Lake campus in Dongguan, China.
Hi Jacob, and welcome everyone. I have been working in the product information area of Huawei for 5 years. My team is responsible for eliminating information challenges on the technical support website and providing you with better user menus, multimedia, and tools. Thanks to all of you for joining us today. As you may already know that the Document Navigator World Tour is a campaign that we've been running for several years now. Every year, we technical writers from Huawei visit customers and partners around the world to listen to your feedbacks and concerns. Our key aim here is to provide you with an ever-improving service experience.
Of course, given the coronavirus outbreak, we're not able to visit you in person right now. And while that's unfortunate, since many of us continue to work remotely, we decided to shift the World Tour online. As Yunke just mentioned, improving services for customers and partners remains a top priority here at Huawei. Above all else though, we want to first take this opportunity to wish you good health for you and your families.
Right. Let me also mention that we will have some Q&A sessions throughout this event to give you the opportunity to directly ask us questions. Because we want to make things fun, we will throw in some Amazon gift cards that are worth $25 for 6 randomly selected viewers that raise questions.
Now, we have a vast range of enterprise products here at Huawei, and with them come a lot of user manuals. Of course, user manuals are packed full with all the information about a particular product, and this can become pretty overwhelming pretty fast. However, now we have a dedicated tool to help manage this, a tool you might not be familiar with. Let me hand over to Yunke, who can delve a little deeper into what this tool looks like and what it can do.
Sure. The tool that Jacob just referring to is called Info Finder. Info Finder uses our proprietary headix formatting, which we will touch on later, to pull all user menus in one place. The tool helps you to quickly and easily locate the information that you need. And it's also very important to note that this information is automatically kept up to date as we release new models and new versions. Let's have a little demonstration to show you how it works.
Sure.
Let's first open a browser and enter support.huawei.com/e for enterprise. Here we are on the technical support website. We can actually find an Info Finder button on the home page. And here in the search box, we can enter a product model. Let's use S5700 as an example. And here it is. So in the basic information tab page, we can actually see a range of information, including life cycle information, for example, the end of marketing dates, end of service date, life cycle status. That's very useful. And also some hardware informations. And in the operation and maintenance tab page, we can see the license control items, alarms, commands, and informations like that.
Okay.
Let's take commands as an example.
Sure.
For example, if I want to check for a command, but I can only remember part of it, for example, session timeout. Let's use that as an example.
Okay.
We query that, and instantly we can have all the commands that containing this keyword. Highlight in yellow. We can also switch between versions and see this keyword always highlight in yellow.
Right.
And if we click on that command name, it will lead us directly to the chapter in the user manual. So you can see all the relevant information on that.
Okay, great.
So that's Info Finder.
Yes, thank you very much for that, Yunke. I think the usefulness of Info Finder is pretty easy to see. So we also have other tools here, right?
Yes.
Can you briefly explain how we access them?
Of course. So we also have a tool center under the tools. Let's have a little demonstration here. So we can see on the home page, here is an icon and tools under that. So we click on that, we can actually see we provide hundreds of tools that will actually making using our products much easier. And you can use the filters on the top to find the tools by products or by application scenarios,
Right.
like installation, commissioning, configuration, maintenance, or you can enter some keywords.
Okay.
Let's say hardware. Okay, so here we provide 8 more tools that can help you check the hardware informations. Or you can enter like 3D, and we can have the 3D interactive display tools for all the products we have. So that's Tool Center. Very
Great.
useful, right?
Yeah, it is. So why don't we move on and take a look at the Storage Info Center.
Sounds good.
Currently, Info Center is just set up for a selection of Star products, located in the Storage Information Service platform. We take all the specific information about a product and put it in one easy-to-access location. Like Info Finder, the information is kept up to date and automatically updates as a new product model is released. Let's take a closer look using Ocean Store Dorado V6 as an example.
Sure. Okay, so now we are back to the homepage of technical support website. We can see the enterprise data center is here, and all the enterprise storage products are in this place. So this is the storage information service platform you have mentioned.
Yep.
It actually provides all the useful tools, popular documents, popular resources, multimedias, and courses.
Okay.
Are all in this place. And here we have some star products of the storage products. And this is the Dorado V6 series
Right.
we're very familiar with. And this is actually the info center you just mentioned. So it actually provides a range of informations like deployment, configuration, and best practices, maintenance, and all the reference informations you need. And on the top of it are documentations, online tools, and Storage Academy, which is the online courses.
I can also see the 3D interactive product display tool right
Right.
there. From my understanding, that's quite a popular tool, right?
Yes, it's a very popular tool and also very fun to play with.
Okay.
So let's try it. Let's take the V6 series as an example.
Sure.
And so I'll go with 3000 and the SaaS version, okay?
Sure.
So here is the original view. We can actually use our mouse here to drag it and rotate it. I can rotate it to the rear view and scroll my mouse to zoom in and actually see very detailed information of the ports.
Right.
You see all the numbers and words. You can see everything very clear.
Yes.
And we can see some green dots here. If we click on that, it actually gives us some more detailed information
Right.
of these ports. For example, this is the management network port. It connects to a maintenance terminal to manage and maintain a storage system. And I can drag it to rotate it downwards a little to a bird's eye view, and I can actually click component to actually drag out the cover
Right.
and the other components
You
and
can get
zoom
right
in.
inside, huh?
Yes, I can see like the fan modules. I can move that out, and I can drag the hard drives out one by one if I
Right.
want. And here is explosion mode. See, all the components are separated. So if I can drag on the blank space here, I can
Okay.
rotate them together or move the components out one by one.
Right.
So here we also have a QR code.
Ah.
So our audience, if you have your phone, you can actually put out your phone and scan this QR code and play with us.
Great. Thanks for demonstrating how the tool works. Okay, I think it's time for our first Q&A round.
Yes.
For those of you using a PC, please click Participants at the bottom of the screen. Then click Raise Hand. If you're on the mobile app, tap More in the bottom right corner, then Raise Hand. We'll unmute you and give you a chance to ask your question. Remember, 3 participants that ask questions will be randomly selected to receive an Amazon gift card to the tune of $25 US.
Yes. So the floor is open now. Do we have any questions?
If you have a question, please feel free to ask.
Oh, we see someone raise their hands.
Sure.
Yori, right? Hello, can you hear us? Yori? Yes.
Hi, thank you for your sharing. But now I have a question. I forgot my password on the website. How to reset it?
Oh, sure. It's a very commonly asked question, right? So if we forget the password of our support website, we don't need to panic. We just need to click the login and click the forget password.
Right.
Now you can reset your password by email, by user ID, or by mobile.
Okay, great.
So does that answer your question?
Yeah, I get it. Thank you.
Thank you very much for participating, and don't forget to send us emails to document@huawei.com.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi, who am I
Hi,
speaking with?
Yogen.
Hi.
Yeah, Yogen this side. Yogen this side from India.
Hi,
Actually,
Yogendra.
I have some. Yeah, hi. So I have as per your 3D documentation for the 3D view of the hardware. Okay. So I am getting the same tool in the mobile also. That's the 3D plus. If you remember, earlier we are using 3D plus tool in the mobile for the IP and IT. So how this tool is different from this your website tool? Are you getting my point?
Sorry, we didn't get that very clearly, Yogendra. Can you please repeat the question? Sorry about that.
So as you shown the 3D diagram or 3D picture of the hardware, that is the Durable series or the IT equipment, same types of software in the mobile and getting that is a Huawei 3D plus.
So you are asking a question about a 3D interactive tools, right?
Yes.
You want to know if we have the 3D display for other products, right?
No. I'm saying same type of tool for the mobile. Huawei has generated the same type of tool for the mobile version, that is 3D plus.
I see. On the mobile, can you access the tool?
Yes,
Yes,
of
yes,
course.
yes.
So do you have
So,
the
My question is,
the
my
Hino
question
app?
is,
Yes. You can actually access all the 3D interactive display on our app. On our app
Yes,
on
yes.
a mobile phone. It's actually called Hino. You can download and install this app and use all the 3D interactive functions on your app. Or if you are opening a display 3D interactive display page, you can always use the QR code to just open a web page on your phone, and then you can use it on your phone.
okay.
So you can actually try it right now, like the product we just displayed. You can actually scan this QR code and it will instantly open a web page on your phone, on your browsers, on your phone, and you can actually use that 3D interactive display.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you.
Thank you very much for joining us today, and you can actually send us email to document@huawei.com, and we have prepared a little gift for you.
Okay, thanks for joining.
Hi, this is Orçun from Turkey. It is not a question. I'm wishing something from you, actually. I'm used to play with NetApp storage products mostly. In NetApp environment, they have some simulator, the storage simulators. That is the same products but in minimum size. That you can install it from the beginning. You can connect to iSCSI, NFS, and this kind of stuff. But I haven't seen anything in Huawei environment, this kind of player, simulator. So this develops us too much so that we can play with the virtual environment and connect those virtual machines to those simulator products. It develops us too much and it helps us, especially on the technical side. This is my wish from Huawei officials to develop this kind of simulator. They have something, a simulator, but it is just something like a player. You cannot configure it from the beginning. It's just something that you follow it, but it doesn't have the real feeling. This is my wish. And also one more wish, and I'm playing some e-learning videos from your websites or last days. They have bad quality, okay? The English is well spoken on those videos, and it always stops and continues, stops and continues. So it doesn't get very well video with them. I wish that you to develop those two features. It will be much better. Thank you.
Thank you for your suggestions. Can you, sorry from the beginning, I didn't quite catch that. Which products do you use?
I'm a storage guy. Okay,
Storage.
I play with HP storage and network
storage. We actually have invited the developers and the experts from the storage product lines. They're also online. Why don't we invite them to actually answer the questions for you? What do you think?
Okay. Well, it sounds good for them. Yeah.
Can we have Wang Hao on the line, please? Wang Hao, can you hear us?
Sorry, we're just having some technical difficulties.
We have another expert. She's already online. Tao Ming.
Great.
Welcome, Tao Ming. Tao Ming is our expert from the storage product line.
Okay, did you get my question or do I have to repeat it again?
Hello, Tao Ming.
Yeah. And I want to repeat your question.
Okay, I'm repeating my question again, no problem. I'm a storage guy. I play with other vendors, for example, NetApp, for example, HP, this kind of storage vendors. They have some, especially in NetApp, they have a simulator environment, which is the same as the storage that you install, the huge ones, okay? That cost lots of money. You don't every time have the chance to experience to install it, configure it on the customer environment. Okay, so they have some simulators that can exactly do the same thing as you do with the real product. Okay, in your lab environment, you can install it, you can configure it, and you have the same feeling. So when you go to the customer side, on the technical side, you don't have any problems, okay? Because you know that, you know how to deal with that product. In Huawei side, I look for this kind of product, but I couldn't get this kind of a simulator. Only some look and feel simulators. I didn't remember. Hardware manager, I think it was something like that. I want you to develop this kind of product for me. Is it okay? Did you get me?
Hi, Tang Min. So I think Orkin is asking about a potential simulator environment for storage products. Do we have anything that can relate to something like that, or are we developing anything right now?
Exactly the same.
Hi, Tommy, are you with us? We cannot hear you right now.
Okay, let's continue. I don't want to quit your session. Okay, let's continue. Thank you for your intervention.
Actually, we very appreciate the suggestions you offered. The Tommy actually will contact you after this event and send you emails to talk detailedly about it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you again.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay. Thanks for those questions. I hope the answers were what you're looking for. And if you're not, we will send you emails to talk to you detailedly about it. And sorry if we didn't get to you. And for those 3 randomly selected participants, please remember to email us at document@huawei.com so we can get those gift cards out to you. We will have another round later, so please stay tuned in. Let's move on to discuss our headix formatting, which I hated earlier.
So we touched on headix earlier. Let's go into a little bit more detail about it.
Yes, as I previously mentioned, headix is our proprietary file format that combines and displays user menus in a much more convenient way. And we've recently released headix 2.0, which has completely revolutionized the format altogether.
How so?
Well, now you can actually customize user menus as you see fit. Understandably, user menus are packed with information, but not all information may be relevant to what you need. But with headix 2.0, you can actually mix and match the user menu's content to personalize it for your end users.
That's right. And once the customization procedure has been completed, you can then download the new custom-made user manual as a PDF, and it will remain an official Huawei document, which can be used as a normal user manual would. Yunke, how about we show them how it works?
Sure. So let's open another browser to go to the homepage of Technical Support website. In a search box, we can search from the popular searches, S5700s, for example. And here we can actually see a good example of headix 2.0. It's right here. So we click on that. Right. So with the new version of headix, you can actually filter the information by features, like this: device management, interface management, and IP service, and many things else. Or we can actually filter the information by hardware, like chassis or cards. Let's say if your end user is only interested in chassis or cards, they don't need to read hundreds of pages of user menus. All they need to do is to click Customize Document and make them a personalized menu. So here we can actually select some chapters we're interested in, and we can add them to the box on the right and click Customize. Now all the information is gathered together. For me, I can now click Finish. So the safety prompt is to ensure that I'm not adding any third-party trade secrets or anything to this document. So I just go with No and OK. So here I need to provide a user menu name. I'll go with menu for Jacob. And I'll add a date. Today is July 28th. OK. So now I can see a user menu in my customizations page. I can download it to a PDF version. Let's see how it looks. The downloading is complete. Here's the user menu. You can see on the cover, it's a menu for Jacob, July 28th. And all the disclaimer, the contents, the page numbers, and everything else are automatically being edited to this format. It looks quite official, right?
Yeah, it looks like an official manual would.
Yes.
Okay, great. Thanks for the demonstration, Yunke. So we can now clearly see what a customized user manual looks like. see that with the HEDX 2.0 tool, you can customize a user manual according to the description, installation, configuration, command reference, and MIB reference information. But what about troubleshooting? I haven't seen any reference to troubleshooting yet.
Well, yes, actually troubleshooting is very complex, right? When a user encounters a fault, they're usually only aware of a particular fault symptoms, and the causes can be very tricky to uncover. So we've actually developed a step-by-step troubleshooting guide that helps you to diagnose the causes of a fault by its symptoms.
So this troubleshooting guide, is it accessible via the product documentation?
That's right. Let's show you how to access and use troubleshooting insights. So here we're back to the homepage of support website, and we go to the tool center again, and in the search box we can search the troubleshooting insights. Right. Here it is.
Yep.
So we have provided troubleshooting insights for a range of products that lists on this portal. So let's use data center switch as an example.
Okay.
Telnet logging failure on C switches. So it's actually provide a step-by-step guidance to actually locate what the cause is. Right? So for example, if we wanted to check in the telnet configuration, it actually gives us not only the step-by-step guide, but also the command we need to configure this.
Right, it's quite detailed and seems easy enough to follow, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, great. Thanks for taking us through those steps. Of course, there are endless possibilities when it comes to faults, and so it's impossible for us to cover everything in troubleshooting insights. This is why we've released a section called Tech Notes. Tech Notes is a collection of information that's pulled from Huawei engineers as well as partners and customers to provide their own troubleshooting experiences that may help others.
That's right. This section has a lot more detailed information than merely how to diagnose the causes of a fault. With such experienced engineers offering their insights, you can find a range of information including how and why faults occurs, as well as how to rectify them. And let's take a closer look.
Sure.
So you can actually find the tech notes on the homepage of the support website. You just need to go all the way down here.
Okay.
At tech notes, right here. And click on that, and we can see that we have provided tech notes for a range of products here, like data center switches and many else. So let's randomly choose one of them to see what it looks.
Okay.
Okay, so here it introduces many detailed information like the technical causes and details about this faults.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. That seems easy enough to locate. If you're still unable to find the information you're looking for here, we've got a couple more options for you. You can go to the technical support community to discuss with peer engineers around the world, or consult with the local tech support hotline. Now let's move on to our smart assistant. iKnow is Huawei's smart assistant that allows you to query product information 24/7. We hope to eventually develop iKnow into a centralized tool that includes a range of our other tools all in one easy-to-use space.
Yes, and today we will demonstrate some different functions that iKnow can currently manage. We will compare and query some product specs and also query licenses and default passwords for a couple of products. So now we can find iKnow easily here on the homepage of support website. It's this little monkey's head here called online support. We click on that and here is iKnow. So I'm gonna choose a product category from here. I'm gonna choose campus switch.
Okay.
Okay, so now it lists a range of tasks, commonly used tasks for our clients and channel partners. So let's choose product selection.
Sure.
So which network layer do you want to deploy the switch at?
Should we go to the access layer?
Sure. Access layer it is. So what is your application scenario? Campus network and branch office network or Soho?
Let's go to the first one.
Yes, okay. So now IKNOW has found 57 eligible products for us. So I'm gonna choose 2 of them and click compare. So which 2 types of devices you want to choose? So let's go with 27 and 5700s. We need to choose from the series and exactly the product name. Click compare. Actually, IKNOW has searched from the user manuals to
Okay.
find the information and listed them in the table format for us. And it also highlights all the differences in red color. So it's very clear to see. Or we can just click the show differences only. And it shows differences only.
Filters them very conveniently.
So if you think the procedure is too long, there are some shortcuts that
Okay.
you can also use this function. You can actually compare, use a sentence compare S5700 and S6700. Let's see what's happened.
A little bit slow today.
Or I think my brother needs to delete all the cookies.
Okay.
Let's try again. Okay. Compare S5700 and yes, here it is. So the procedure is all the same. We just choose from the series and the product names and compare. And it shows us the differences.
Right.
Or we can use another sentence pattern. Differences between S5700 and S6700. See what happened? Oh. Looks exactly the same, right?
Right. Just a shortcut to get here, isn't it?
Yes. So what else do you want to try? Well, query licenses,
Yeah,
default password. Which one do you want to try first?
Let's query some licenses.
Sure. Let's use query license. So, which products would you like to query for license control items?
Second one looks good.
Okay. So here it offers us a BOM number, the license control items, and a range of information are listed here.
Okay, great.
So we don't have to jump to another web page.
Right.
Everything is just here.
You don't have to scroll through long
yes,
user manuals,
exactly. So what about let's try the password or wait.
right? Okay, sure.
I have 20 wait. Okay. So which product or series would you like to query for wait?
Ally.
This one?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, so here it directly offers us the wait.
And there's the power consumption there
Yes,
too.
yes, the max power consumption and the typical power consumption.
Okay, so can you directly ask IKNOW questions?
Yes, let's try.
Sure.
Right? You can actually ask, does S5720 support, let's try VRF, okay? VRF. See if you can understand us. Oh, it does. Looks like it supports VRF.
Right, that's handy.
Yes. So first, you need to understand this is a product and this is a feature. And he also can link the product with the feature from its database and give us the answer directly.
Well, I know it definitely has a wide range of uses, and thanks for taking us through a couple of them. Now, we've covered a few of our tools already today, so let's go back and discuss how we access them. We touched on this tool center earlier.
That's right. So here is our homepage. And you can use these tools here to check the maintenance status or the MRA status or get license. This is a tool center we discussed.
Yep.
And this is a little monkey I know.
Yep.
And then our online support we've touched on earlier. And here we also have the info finder, the knowledge base, software download, and all the documentations about our products. And we actually provide documentations in 10 different languages.
Okay.
And you can get them all from the multilingual document here. You can select the products from the left and select the language from the top. And we also have some online courses here. You can access from the online courses button. So here are the online courses we label NetTech TV. This is a series of videos that introduces products in solutions as well as installation, configuration, and maintenance guides.
Right. Now, all of these videos are completely free to watch, and they're also included on our YouTube channel. Just search Huawei Documentation Insights in Google or YouTube to find them. In the channel, you can find over 1,000 videos on basic principles across a wide range of products, including networking, data center, cloud communications, and network energy products. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join the 14,000 subscribers.
Now, based on customer feedback, we understand that some of you have had issues with finding some of our tools, especially when using Google. We're really sorry about that, and we've worked hard to optimize our Google rankings to ensure that the information is more easily available to you.
That's right. Actually, things has become very different right now. If we search on Google, for example, we use Huawei. Now we go to Google first. We search Huawei S5700 plus documentation. And your first hit will be the documentation aggregation page of the S5700 switch series, where you can find the documentation knowledge base, the software you need, the bulletins, the tools, all the videos, and the forum for your peer engineers around the world. And you can clearly see all the information relating to these switches in one easy-to-find place.
Right. Basically, all of the switches related to the series are all combined into one spot. Great, thank you. Now, we've come to our second Q&A session. Just like before, for those of you using a PC, please click Participants at the bottom of the screen, then click Raise Hand. If you're on the mobile app, tap More in the bottom right-hand corner, then Raise Hand. We'll unmute you and give you a chance to ask your question. Please remember to put the mic close to your mouth because we might have an issue hearing you. And remember, 3 participants that ask questions will be randomly selected to receive an Amazon gift card worth $25 US.
Yes.
So the floor is now open for anyone that wants to ask a question.
Yeah, do we have any questions right now?
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Thank you, Stephen.
Question. Yeah. If I have questions or suggestions, how to give my feedback?
Oh, sure. You're always very welcome to give your feedbacks or suggestions through multiple ways. In the first way, you can actually send us emails through document@huawei.com. And the second one, you can find a feedback button here at the homepage. You can actually email us or send us feedbacks from here. We will actually reply you within 2 days and give you a solution within 10 days.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Do we have any other questions?
Hello, Yogendra this side.
Hi. Hi, Yogendra.
Hi, Yogendra.
Yeah, actually, this tool that we have discussed, that is the AI-based tool. Okay, so many times I try to ask the question, but I could not get the answer.
Oh, sorry
So
about
I
that.
again switched.
Sorry about that.
Yeah. So I switched to live chat session. Okay.
Oh, thanks
Yeah,
for your
so
thanks for your
again-
feedback.
Yeah. So live chat session, I switched to live chat session, but again, live chat session, there are L1 people or L1 engineers are there. So even they could not resolve the question. So they normally asked to open the ticket.
Okay, we're
to some
very
senior
sorry.
level.
We're very sorry for the inconvenience. So that's also why we're suggesting actually some question patterns that will actually help you to quickly get your answers. Or you can always consult to the listed tasks here, and this is an easier way to find right answers. But thanks for your feedbacks. We'll be working on that to improve our tools.
So apart from this, I would like to share my opinion with all the users. There is a community, Huawei community to the community. I'm getting the most of the answer of my query
Oh, yes.
okay, in a quicker way.
Yes, thank you very much for your recommendation. It's also a very nice way, as we recommended, the online communities.
Right.
You can find
So-
your all
so-
the yes, here is a community.
Yeah. So we can directly chat with the respective
Yes.
admins directly from the IT or whatever the transmission. So this is the also like better way to get the answer of your query.
Oh, great.
Exactly.
This is my
Great. We're very happy that you find it useful.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, we got someone else there?
Here.
Romeo, can you hear us?
Hello, Romeo. Welcome to join us.
Hello, yes. I just want to ask if you guys have diagnostic servers.
Sorry to interrupt you, Romeo. The microphone is very hard to hear you clearly. Can you please adjust the microphone? Maybe we can hear you better if it's closer to your mouth.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, can you hear us? Can you hear us? Hi, Romeo.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me now?
Not really. We're sorry. There's some really bad feedback on your microphone.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, now that's better. Now it's better. What's your question?
I just want to ask if you have diagnostic tools and online offline diagnostic tools for servers. For
Server.
EG,
Servers?
Yeah, diagnostic tools that we can run to the server.
I think he's asking about server
Servers.
diagnostic tools. We
Oh.
have diagnostic tools for
Yes,
servers.
we actually have some experts from the server products. Why don't we invite Zhang Xun to connect it on the line and answer the questions? Or experts from the server product line. 罗月花是吗？
Who are we inviting?
罗月花 are you on the line? Can you hear us? 这是计算产品线。
Sorry, Romeo, just 1 second. We're inviting an industry expert to help us.
I think our experts might have some problems connecting to the conference. So actually, we will ask the experts to send you emails after this conference and talk to you more detailedly about it.
Sure. Sorry about that, Romeo. So we'll definitely be in touch with you after the conference is over via email.
What do you think?
That's perfect. Thank you.
Thank you very much again for your participation.
Thank you.
We'll keep in touch after this event.
Thank you. Do we have anyone else?
Yes. Hi, Rose. Can you hear us? Rose? Hi.
Hello. Yeah, I can hear you. Thank you for sharing. It's really helpful. And actually, I am so interested in the info finder, but I noticed that you just take a switch named S5700 as an example. But I am wondering that it also supports other products like the routers or stuff like that.
Yes, thank you very much for your question. Actually, here, if we click on Info Finder, we can see a range of products list here. If you click on routers, it lists all the products series we support right now.
Right. So InfoFinder currently supports a wide range of products.
Yes.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
So you can see how to access them easily, right?
Okay, does that answer your question?
Rose, are you still with us? Oh, we might have lost her.
Okay, thank you again for your participation, Rose. Thank you. So, Calamus?
We see there's a hand raised from Clemens.
Hi, Clemens.
Can you hear me?
Yes, hi, Clemens.
Just now you mentioned a lot of courses. Those courses are free?
Yes, of course, they're completely free to watch.
Okay.
You can watch it on the support website or on our YouTube channel.
Okay, I will watch it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, so,
Should we wrap things up?
yeah, yes. Thank you very much, Clemens.
Okay, that's it for the Q&A session. So let's wrap things up there. For the 3 randomly selected participants, please remember to email us at document@huawei.com so we can get those gift cards out to you. Thank you very much for everyone who tuned in today. Your insights and feedback are really important to us. So in future, please don't hold anything back.
Yes, and if you'd like to provide any feedbacks about our products, services, or tools, please do so at the feedback sections of the support homepage or email us at thedocument@huawei.com, and we will respond within 2 days and provide a solution within 10 days. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletters, and the newsletter subscription page is here at the upper right corner. Here we have a newsletter. Just select the product lines you're interested in, give your email address, agree to the privacy policy, and you can join 15,000 subscribers we have now.
Okay, thank you again for tuning in.
Okay, so if you have any other questions, you are always very welcome to raise your hands and communicate with us.
Okay.
Oh, we have a Sam.
Question from Sam.
Question from Sam. Hi, Sam.
I think he's still muted. Oh, hi,
Hi,
Sam.
Sam.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, actually, I want to share one feedback regarding live chat support.
Light check, is that right?
Live chat, chat,
Right.
online chat.
Yeah. So do we have?
So while I am connecting for the live chat, most of the time for the server and storage cases.
Civilian.
So most of the time I need to generate a ticket. So my issues are not solved by online chat.
Okay.
So always they are saying that engineer is not in shift now, so we can raise a ticket for me. So this is a small issue.
Oh, we're sorry that you've encountered that issue. So your issue is that creating a ticket is not very convenient. Is that correct?
Yes. Actually, for the small queries, like for the Dorado box, I need to reset a password or I need to reset a IP. So they ask, you can create a ticket. I know how to create a ticket. Then why live chat is there? So live chat is at least L1 support must be there.
Okay.
For engineer, for customer or anyone.
All right. We'll definitely look at. Sorry, we'll definitely look at optimizing that, and we apologize for the inconvenience.
Yes, we'll.
No problem. I'm sharing just my feedback to.
Right.
Thank you very much for sharing. Actually, we'll contact you later to see it through.
Yeah. Your feedback is much appreciated.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Sam. Do we have any other feedback or questions?
Yes, or anything you want to share? Okay.
Okay, I think we're going to wrap things up there. Thank you very much for tuning in. Yunka, thank you for hosting the summit.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us today. And if you have any further questions or anything you want to communicate or share with us, you are always very welcome to send us emails or provide your feedbacks on our websites. Thank you, and have a nice day ahead.
Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning in to Document Navigator. Today we'll be introducing some of the tools that help you access the crucial information you need, faster and easier than ever before. My name's Jacob from Huawei, and I'm joined today by Yunke from the Information and Cognitive Laboratory. We're speaking to you from Huawei's picturesque Songshan Lake campus in Dongguan, China.